How to manually set time and date on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can manually set time and date on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. First, open up your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down a bit and there you'll find General. Tap on General. After you tap on General, locate an option called Date and Time. After you find it, tap on it. Now right here you'll see an option called Set Automatically. Simply disable that, and after you do that you'll see an option where you can change the date here and also the time. So if you tap on the time option, that's right here, you can change the time as well. So just change the time from here, and after that you have basically changed your time and date manually, and that's basically how you do it guys. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.